Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Cloudy cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Claudie Cooks in the kitchen. How are we all doing out there? Hope you're having a wonderful day, and hopefully the weather is great wherever in the world you are. It is really beautiful here in the UK. And on the menu today we are going to cook up a beautiful Jamaican style shrimp curry. As usual, my dear foodies, all of the information will be listed in the description box below for you. So let's get cooking! Woo-hoo! Okay, we're going to start off by marinating these washed and deveined shrimp. Using about half a teaspoon on here. Teaspoon of Old Bay. Some salt, just a splash of olive oil. We're just going to give it a little mix, and then once this is thoroughly mixed, we're going to set it aside and move on to the next stage. Okay, it's time to set this aside. I'm just going to put a bit of oil in the pan. We add in some mixed bell peppers, and I've used about a quarter of the green, orange and the red. We're going to add some onion and some spring onion as well. Ginger, teaspoon, and I've got 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Okay, we're going to saute this now for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then once we've sauteed these ingredients, we will add the other ingredients. So just let this sweat for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll see you in a moment. This is looking pretty sunshine in a pot to me, and it's smelling really fragrant. So now let's introduce the other ingredients. Teaspoon of curry powder and about half a teaspoon. Some thyme, some Scotch bonnet pepper. And we have here a few allspice berries, but you can use ground. We're going to let this cook off for about 2 to 3 minutes. So I'll see you in a moment. Wow, this is smelling so good, people. Time to introduce some tomato paste. Adding a tablespoon of that. Just let this cook off for a minute or 2. Okay, this is what it's looking like. So we're ready to introduce the creamy coconut milk. So let's go. I'm going in with 1 cup first because this is only for 2 people. I'm adding a quarter cup, just under a quarter cup. More. Give this a stir. I'm not going to add any salt into it as yet because I did salt the shrimp, and until I introduce that, then it will determine how much more salt we will need in this sauce here. So I'm just going to give a little taste. Lovely jubbly. Wow, I'm getting a kick from the Scotch bonnet, even though I've removed the seeds. It has a little bite. Now, lid on, and we're going to simmer that for about 10 minutes. So I'll see you back there, my friends. We're going to add the rest of the coconut milk into that. Let's add the seasoned prawns. just going to make sure they're all kind of covered with the sauce. Lid on, let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until cooked. Okay, all we need is just a pinch more salt, and that's it. Some black pepper. I'm going to add some lime juice to that as well. I've turned the fire off. Get a clean spoon to taste this. That tastes amazing. Right, I'll be back when I'm plating up. Look at that. Time to plate up. Let's put a little bit of greenery. That make it look pretty. Look how delicious that's looking. Just going to splash a little bit of olive oil. And there you have it, guys. My delicious shrimp curry, Jamaican style. How yummy does that look? And this is how I am serving it. These are my sides. Enjoy.
Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices. Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean